I ran into this last week. Here's what fixed it for me. If you're looking to change your plan on Telstra Wireless, follow these steps to make the process smooth and easy. Step 1. Log into your account. Visit the Telstra website and log into your account using your credentials. This is your gateway to managing your plan. Step 2. Navigate to Plan Management. Once logged in, find a section for managing your plan. This is usually located in the My Account or Services menu. Step 3. Select your current plan. In the Plan Management section, select your current plan to view the details. This will help you understand what options are available for change. Step 4. Choose a new plan. Browse through the available plans and select the one that best suits your needs. Make sure to compare features and pricing. Step 5. Confirm changes. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the sroc.com link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. A quick tip: if you're on the billing screen, make sure to check for any early termination fees that might apply before you confirm your new plan. I hope this helps you switch your plan without any hassle. If you have any questions, feel free to ask.